We're delighted to bring you brand new collection from our friends at Fern Studios, and this is called Jane's Memoirs, and it is kind of beginning with Jane Austen, and so you're going to see some very vintage artwork. As you can see, there are 10 sheets. They are each double-sided, so let me show you both sides. Isn't that pretty? Very, very lovely, very collage, very vintage. And you can see there's also laces incorporated all through it too, just beautiful, beautiful. Now, if you are a scrapbooker, your photos are probably going to go in the center areas, at least on this sheet. If you're a card maker, think in terms of quarters, because a quarter will become a card front, or a card inside would be something quite beautiful. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? You see all the lace and things behind. There's the back side. By the way, this collection is unique to Paper Wishes, and we're delighted that our friends at Fern Studios do this for us. Now, this is a sheet that you can use as it is. I think I would tend to cut it apart. It's going to give you a lot of embellishments. Here's the back side of it, just absolutely beautiful. You can see the Jane Austen, if you can see right there, it gives her name, the lace, the flowers, the very scruffed look. Very beautiful. And here's another. This is on a cardstock, so it's a heavy weight. And here we have more. And the back side. So as you can see, just a variety of looks and different textures, very textury, although of course everything is smooth. Here is this, and one more. And on the back side, there we go. Now, in addition to this, there is also a set of ephemera. And the ephemera, let me just slide them in. There are a total of 28 die-cut pieces. And as you can see, you're going to, as you would expect, it's going to be imagery that you found on the sheets and then some additional ones. So some are empty so that you can do stamping or writing. There are some letters, so story is what that is. And as you can see, so these are nice sized also, as you can see as I'm holding them. And there you go. So 28 ephemera. 10 sheets of the Jane's Memoirs, all available, all now, all at paperwishes.com.